Right. So now we have this question at hand. The figure shows the results of interviewing some students in a school to ask which games they watch on television. So F is equal to students who watch football, T equals to students who watch tennis, and M students who watch marathon. Now I have to solve these questions using the diagram here. We have question 1 to 12. Let's go through it individually. So the first one is how many students were interviewed. Let's do with that. How many students were interviewed? Take a guess. Well, you can see that we have, say, 8 parts. 6, 7, 5, 10, 11, 9, 4, and then 2. We don't want to forget these people. Right, so the number of students who were interviewed are a summation of all of the various parts. So we have 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 11 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2, making 54. The second question was, how many students watch tennis? The circle for tennis, or the set for tennis, is this. And then everyone under it watch tennis. So these are the people who watch tennis. It is 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 9. They are the people who watch tennis. So it is 32 in all. The third question, how many students watch marathon only? Our keyword only appears here. So these are the people who watch marathon. But then these people watch football as well. These people watch football and tennis. And these people watch tennis as well. So we want to focus on people who watch only marathon, and that is 4. So the people who watch marathon only are 4. The fourth question, how many students watch marathon and football? The people who watch marathon and football, we want to look at the intersection between marathon and football. That is what the question actually means. So if you draw our circle, this for the marathon, and then this is for football, what is their intersection? It is this place. So the people who watch marathon and football are 10 and then 11. So 10 plus 11 making 21. Those are the number who watch marathon and football. Now a very close question to that is, how many students watch marathon and football only? Now there is a distinction here. We have only. That means the people who watch marathon and football we considered earlier. This time around, we are considering the people who watch only the two of them and nothing else more. Now you recall, these people have something to do with tennis. So we will not add that. So people who watch marathon and football only are these people here. So it is this region, and that is 10, like the diagram depicts. Okay. Then how many students watch only one sport? Only one sport. Well, that would be 4 plus 6 plus 5, because the 7 here watch football and tennis. The 10 here watch football and marathon. The 9 here watch tennis and marathon. And the 11 watch all 3. But we are interested in just one sport, and that is football only, tennis only, and then marathon only, making it 6 plus 5 plus 4. That is 15. Great. Then, the 7. How many students watch only 2 sports? Only 2 sports. Again, we want to be careful because of the word only. The 7 here watch only football and tennis. The 10 watch only football and marathon. And the 9 watch only tennis and marathon. So they qualify to be added in this question. So we have 7 plus 10 plus 9, because they watch only 2 sports. They don't watch more than 2. They don't watch less than 2 as well. So 9 plus 7 plus 10 making 26. How many students watch all 3 sports? This is quite simple, right? Because it is the 11 here who watch all 3. The rest do not watch all 3. They either watch 2 or just 1. And our guys here watch none of them at all. So that will be 11. Great. Now, how many students watch at least two sports? At least two. The word at least two suggests that then they should watch two sports or more than two. They should watch two sports or more than two. And so if they should watch two sports, then 7 plus 10 plus 11 and then plus 9, because these people watch two, these people watch three, these people watch two, these people watch two, and they watch at least two. So two or more, making 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 11. That is 37. Then, how many students watch marathon or football but not tennis? Marathon or football but not tennis. Look at something here. We have marathon here, we have football there, but we don't want to include tennis into it. So every part that has to do anything has anything to do with tennis, we want to exclude it. So all these people, we want to exclude it. Then you'll be left with marathon and football. So that will be 6 plus 10 plus 4. We are adding 6 and 4 because of the word or, because the or suggests that then we should look at either football or marathon or both. So 6 plus 10 plus 4. Those are the people who watch marathon or football but not tennis, making 20. Then how many students watch marathon or football? This time around there is another nuance here to pay attention to. It said marathon or football. It didn't exclude tennis people. So anybody who watches football or anybody who watches marathon, we have to include it. And that is 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11 plus 4 plus 9, making 47. So far as they have anything to do with marathon or football, we are adding them. And that is why this time around we are adding everything that has anything to do with football or marathon without considering whether they pay attention to tennis or not. Then the last one, how many people watch none of the three sports? And it is these guys here. So this should give you a glimpse of how to approach a 3 set problems. And in the next video, we will solve a more difficult one, and that is more exams like. So make sure you check that video out.